Alright guys, welcome back to Hundley TA. It is Monday and we're back at it again. We're checking out SPY to start off the day and things are looking really up. It finally broke this resistance zone that it's been just pushing away at for the past couple months. So broke it, came back for the retest, looked like it's bouncing up and continuing upwards. So that is what we've been waiting for a long time with SPY. So it looks like it's finally moving up. Bitcoin still ranging between these zones here. I actually did some scalping over the weekend, and I zoomed out and I drew these major zones like I always do. Support and resistance on the 1 minute chart. Do these middling zones too. Didn't plan to trade on them though, because they don't like those zones. They always are getting crossed over and stuff. So just placed a sell order at this top resistance zone and a buy order at this the support zone. Both of them worked out, so I was very happy about that. Really hoping I can try to do more scalping in the future. Anyway, rest of crypto, not much going on. Right on to Forex, NZD, USD. I probably should have exited this trade down here. I was getting close to my profit, but then having a correction back to this zone. And it's retesting this resistance zone here, so hopefully it gets rejected and finds its way back down. But yeah, otherwise not too happy. GBP, JPY, had a couple of JPY losses recently. Things just cooking, can't be stopped. So I might just look for longs on JPY if it continues to tear through resistance zones like it is. But yeah, unfortunate there. ADUSD, still trying to find the support to bounce off this zone. Euro USD did fall out. I think I covered this in a earlier video actually, so I need to take this off. USD CHF, just couldn't find the support at this zone here. It's kind of crazy to me, but I guess if we go back a little bit, it's fallen through before as support. I mean, back here when it broke and retested, it bounced nicely, bounced there. So just how the cards fell in that scenario. So I'll actually keep it watch. I need to log that. Euro GBP. I'm struggling to break through the support zone here. I mean, I don't even think it's really a support zone. It just decided to form a new one here. Like, it doesn't really have much. I guess it has some touches in the back, but it's still just kind of a messy, choppy zone. So I'm hoping for that reason it'll continue to fall through. Eventually, EuroCAD is trying to find its way out of the zone. Hopefully it'll bounce. It's still a really nice zone. So I think it could find its way out of there. GBP NZD, almost to my profit target after a narrow brush against my stop loss. AUD CHF. Just kind of ranging. It's tested this resistance zone 3 times now, so it's gotta be able to get rejected here at some point, I would think. Euro JPY, another JPY loser, unfortunately. Could look at a short up towards this range up here, or this zone, but yeah, I don't know. Like I said, JPY has been kicking my butt on shorts. USCHF, I was watching this one to see if it bounced out of the zone, but it ultimately failed. So I'm thinking I might look towards a sell order. Maybe take a short on this one. I'm just double checking this zone because it's not the cleanest. You have these spikes over here, kind of. I mean, you could say it includes those bounces there as well. So I mean, it looks like it kind of did the same thing back here where it dropped out below, came back for the retest and did get rejected. So it might be worth a look at a short here if it does come back to test. I don't like how big the zone is though. It's kind of don't like these larger stop losses, and then that leaves my profit target way down here, which might be okay. If we're looking at our next support zone, like down here or something. That's not. What the? My bad. Gotta grab this one. So yeah, I think that might be one I look at taking a short here. USD CAD. I can probably take this one off the watch. It's ranging for the moment. USD JPY. Another short here. We'll see if it. This one I actually don't think I placed a trade on because of this uptrend here. I didn't want to place my target below that, considering JPY is in such a strong uptrend. So I don't think this is one I actually took. I'll take it off the list for now. NZD JPY. This one was just too nice to pass up. You know, very well respected resistance zone here. But again, JPY is going bananas, so gotta be careful if it does want to continue upward. CAD CHF. Put this long here, break and retest. Fell through this zone, but I did place my stop beneath this lower zone here because I thought that could happen with these long spikes coming out of that support zone. Gold I am shorting. Broke this pretty strong support here. Made sure to have a roomy enough stop to accommodate for these highs, and so far it's looking like it's being rejected on the retest. So AD CAD breaking retest of the support zone, kind of plunged deep into it on the retest and found support here, so it may be on its way up out of here. We'll have to see, but we'll continue to hope for a rejection there. So that's all I got for today. Make sure to leave a comment of what you guys have been trading, and hit that like and subscribe on your way out. Thanks.